are pleased to show you the 2020
Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.